2, 3. Who is this? Oh, that's a Tesla. Oh, I think this is a good spot for some gas. While this thing fills up, show you guys around. See how much gas this is. Random videos. 30. It's a good tank of gas. Put this back in here. Look around this thing. I'm over here in my pajamas. This thing is beautiful. Y'all can see headlight is fogged a little bit. This thing is perfect though. San Diego nightlife. Y'all can see the city. Look at all those buildings and stuff like that. Look at that. This pump also has E85. I can't talk, but this is San Diego nightlife right here. There's a bunch of stuff going on. High-rise buildings, all that. About to take y'all on a showcase, show y'all this in my pajamas. Nighttime POV. This is gonna be fun. People on bikes. Oh, yes. Hey, check engine light, O2 sensors. You have the service light for the light over there. That's the position light. Nothing wrong with those, just annoying lights. And then every once in a while, the coolant, not the temp, but the coolant light comes on for low coolant. Not actually any low coolant, but that's the thing. See how I gunned it out of that gas station out there. $30 got me 120 gallons on this thing. That is unfortunate. Let's go down this street, see what's going on. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo. San Diego nightlife. A lot of Teslas out here too. I really want to drive one of those Tesla Cybertrucks. I feel like it'll be a fun drive. Almost 7,000 pound vehicle. 0 to 60 in like what, less than 3 seconds, something like that. I feel like Something like that would be cool to drive. Why is it so dark right here? I remember one time I got an Airbnb in downtown San Diego. Never do it again. Downtown National City, I got one. First off, the lockbox was in a parking lot about a mile away from the Airbnb, right? And you have to get the key to get in the Airbnb. I was going on a scavenger hunt. I was probably 2 minutes away from saying fuck it, until I finally found where the lockbox was. This lady, right, is insane. She put it a mile away, did all this extra stuff for what? It kind of made me mad. And then after that, I never ever got an Airbnb again. And this is a one-way, but I don't want to go this way. Guess I'm taking y'all on a ride. GTR. Oh shit. Oh, there's a GTR. I want to race. Race me now. Race me now. Godzilla. Race me now. Yes, I want to race. I want to race. Race me now. Hey, 1, 2, 3. That was fun. Let's see if he still wants it. That was fun. That was fun. Godzilla. What a cool car, I'm not gonna lie. And that blow-off valve, right? That thing sounded nice. Sneezed right on the side of me. That thing was loud. Whew. That thing was loud. I think he was trying to give me that peace out too. Nah, I wanted to race. I wanted to see how fast Godzilla was. That thing was making some power. Oh, is he back? Is he back? Is that him? Is that him? Wanna do one more? 1, 2, 3. Who is this? Woo. Oh, that's a Tesla. was unbelievably fun, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to put that in the group chat, and I'm going to say I raced Godzilla. What a beautiful car. Oh man, kind of shaking a little bit. Don't tell me that's a Cybertruck. Oh my God, I thought it was a Cybertruck. Jesus, it's one of the Rivians. I think those are electric too, I don't know. Y'all seen that Tesla that got on the side of us and was racing too? He was, bro, that Tesla's fast. That Tesla is fast. So this and the GTR and the Tesla, all three of us were all-wheel drive. So, and I didn't see him, but he started going when we started going, but he started catching momentum a lot. That was fun. What the hell? Oh, does he want to race? It's an IS 300. Oh, oh. You want to go? You want to race? No? Okay. I don't think he wants to race. Nah, I'm not going to mess with that guy. What is that? There's something. Oh, there's a Charger. What the hell? Tesla Beck? Oh no, never mind. It's a Mazda. You want to race? What are you? What are you? GT? Don't tell me you're a GT. Oh, it's a GT. Race? No. I'm not that one. Not that one. Not that one. You know what they say about the Nissan Altimas? I'm going 80. That guy's going faster than me. I don't know why. It's like they have like a set speed of 100 miles per hour. Something like that. I know they do, because there's no way all of them, for some reason, are always going over 100 miles per hour. No, I'm not getting over it. Damn, Godzilla sounded nice, huh? I need an alignment on this thing too, man. You can tell. Come on, don't do that. Oh my God. Motherfucker. Fucking asshole. There's somebody on the side of me? No? Get the fuck out of my way. Oh my God. Petco Park, downtown. Oh man. What the fuck is going on out there? Oh man. You know, that was fun. That was really fun.